Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. There are some decent ones. There are Kiwi ones. I'm not going to print those off until I find out a good deal, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. Otherwise, let's see what they got. They do got a 75% off scrubbing bubbles, Purina, Pure Silk, Cetaphil, Magnum. I'm going to see a lot of deals. I haven't seen them in Ibotta yet, so until I see a deal in Ibotta, I'm not going to print that one off. But otherwise, they got this Pepto coupon. I'm going to print that off because there's a deal that is going on at CVS. I'm going to see if maybe those are on sale besides just the regular ones. You never know. OB tampons, they got the $2 off coupon that may have reset. Sorry, I'm looking at this from a distance. The $3 off Poise, that's a pretty good coupon. There are some deals online or at CVS for that, and I think also Walgreens. Airwick, I'm going to print that off because there might be a deal at Walgreens this week. Cottonelle, I sometimes get those coupons, I sometimes don't, but here we got a $2 off OxyClean, 50 cents off Scott's, 50 cents off Cottonelle. I'm not going to print that one off. Poise is already tagged. Cottonelle is already tagged. 50 cents off Aviva paper towels. Here we got a different $1 off coupon for OxyClean. This is not a coupon. It's something for Saving Star, but I can no longer clip it to my card. Cold brew. Sorry, I've been up all night. $1.50 off of one. Here's Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. A laundry product, it's a $3 off coupon. More Magnum. Here's another Pepto. I always say Pepmo Gizmo. That's what I used to always call it when I was growing up. Pepmo Bismol, another $1 off coupon for a different kind of product. Chili Cow. Not much really like high, good coupons, but enough that if you guys need certain things, you guys can print it off. And then the Windex and the scrubbing bubbles have not reset, but those are still great coupons to print. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.